Hi guys, it's me, Janique. Excuse me. My voice is messing up. This is Janique 618. And I'm just fixing my camera a little bit. Okay. So, this is Janique 618. And I'm just gonna do my November what is it called? Nature box. I thought to say something else. My November Nature Box video. I've already opened and tried the snacks with my son. He likes to try the snacks with me, but he can't eat all of the stuff because some of it has nuts in it. And he's allergic to nuts. But I did want to just remind you guys that if you do want to try Nature Box, you can get the first month trial free. You can either choose to get a box of samples, which means you get the box for free. It's a box of samples. Or you get $10 off the first package, the first box. So if you don't want to get the trial size, like the sample size, and you want to get the full size, which is like these, then you just can choose to get the 10% off instead. $10 off. That's what I did. I didn't want to get the sample ones because I don't like the samples that they were offering. So I decided to do the $10 off. And of course, if you want more than what they give you, because they give you 5 bags, you can get another bag, put in the box for $3. And yeah, so because they have these little things you can give to people. It says start a free trial of Nature Box, and you can use this too. Because it's not a code or anything. It's just the website naturebox.com/invite. So yeah, that's all that is. And it's just a little stuff inside. I'll tell you some recipes, stuff you can make with the actual food. But yeah, I got 5 things. I have the 3-month plan, which means I pay every 3 months. This month I have these items. Hope you can see it. I have Big Island pineapple, baked sweet potato sticks, apple pie, oat clusters, Fuji apples, and sourdough cheddar pretzels. Like I said, me and my son already tried them. This is Fuji apples. My son doesn't like them, but he's picky. My son's only 5.5, so they look like this. Looks like an apple, cut up. It's good. I already had some. It's a little hard to bite, but it's good. It's an apple. It's just sun-dried apple. The only ingredient in here is apple. So it's just sun-dried Fuji apples. It's really good. It's a little chewy, but it's good. The other fruit I got is Big Island pineapple. My son likes this one. And it looks like this. Just a sun-dried pineapple. And it smells really good. Smells so good. I already had some. Trying to find the piece I had before. That's the piece I had before. The one is more chewy than the apple. The apple one's a little bit more hard. And the pineapple one is like a little chewier, like softer. But it's really good. It's only a little bit. It's not full. There's more apples in here than pineapples in here. And here they give you about like about 8 rings. They give you about 8 to 10 rings in here. Then the Fuji thing is filled to the top. It's very chewy. Alright. And I got my usual. I get this almost every month. This is my 3rd box so far. Apple pie oat clusters, which are really good. You've probably seen them. I got these the first month. I didn't get them. I don't think I got them last month. I didn't get them last month. I got them the first month. Look like that. Very good. It's an apple pie. Good for the holidays. Another good one for the holidays is the baked sweet potato pies. My son jumping on the bed. Look like that. Just the fry. Make up. Crunchy. It's all gum. It's got cinnamon in it. It's got red pepper, sea salt, brown sugar. It's a little spicy with the red pepper, but it's good. These probably would be good with like some kind of a dip, but they're good. They're baked sweet potato flavored crackers. A little spicy. Not a lot, but a little bit. And then last, the sourdough cheddar pretzels. With cheese, cheddar cheese, and a hint of beer. I wonder what kind of, it says beer buds. Okay. What does this say? This product is flavored with a hint of beer and contains a trace amount of alcohol, less than 0.5 percent alcohol by volume. Okay, well, if you give your kids these pretzels, just take note if they get a little drunk. Even though I don't think they would. I doubt it. It's like the last ingredient on the list. I didn't realize that it said it had beer in it. I don't even drink. I don't drink, so I don't even care. Anyway, I don't know. Anyways, I let my son taste it, but he don't like it anyway, so it don't matter. I don't even know what beer tastes like. I don't drink beer, so. So yeah. It's good. That's it. It's fine to me. Anyway, so that was my nature box. And like I said, if you want to try it out, you can get a free trial of samples for the first month to be free, or you can choose the other option, which is $10 off the first box, or the first, if you do the 3-month plan, like I did the 3-month plan, which means it's like 50 something, but for the first 3 months, you would get it, the first payment would be like $40 something, and then when the 3 months is done, and you're going on to the 4th month, which is what I'm doing now. I've been getting this since August, September, October. I think it's like August or September-ish, September, October, November, something like that. So yeah, so every 3 months it will go back up though. So the first price would be like $40, and then the next cycle, the next 3 months, it'll go back up to the 54, I think it is, something like that. So it's $10 off. So if you want to get like one box, like the one box, if you want to pay every month, it'd be $10 off that first month. But if you want to do every 3 months, every 6 months, it'll only be $10 off that first cycle. But if you want to pay every month, it'll be $10 off that first month, and that's it. And then every other month after that, you would pay the regular price. Okay? So I'm trying to explain that. Hopefully you understand what I was saying. But yeah, this is really nice. And the nice thing about this no, I'm talking to YouTube. And the nice thing about this is it says 1 box, 1 meal. We donate 1 meal for every box we deliver. So that's nice. You order it and then
What?
hi.
Hi, bro. Okay, hi. What's your name?
What's your name?
Yes, no.
What's your name?
It's a voice, Jaedon.
Jaedon. Alright. I'll see if I can give you real quick. Say bye.
Bye. And we have snacks. Can I get snacks, please? Yeah. What is this called?
Sourdough cheese cheddar pretzels.
Yeah, sourdough cheese pretzels. This one, please.
Oh, you did this already. No, don't do that one. I already saw that already.
What is it?
Jaedon, I already said all that. Just say bye.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye-bye, people. See you tomorrow. So smack in the face.
Oh, stop. Bye.
Bye.